Title: Unlocking the Key to Fitness, the Best Diet for Muscle Maintenance and Fat Loss. In the quest for a leaner physique and stronger muscles, finding the best diet for muscle maintenance and fat loss is often the first step. With countless fad diets and conflicting advice circulating, it can be overwhelming to discern the most effective approach. However, by prioritizing nutrition that nourishes muscles while promoting fat loss, individuals can achieve sustainable results. Let's explore the intricacies of this journey towards a healthier, fitter self. The cornerstone of any successful fitness journey is a well-rounded diet that supports both muscle maintenance and fat loss. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about sculpting a body that's strong, resilient, and capable. One of the best dietary strategies for achieving this balance is a high-protein, moderate carbohydrate, and moderate fat approach. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and portion control, individuals can fuel their workouts, support muscle recovery, and optimize fat-burning potential. Protein takes center stage in the best diet for muscle maintenance and fat loss. This macronutrient is crucial for repairing and building muscle tissue, making it indispensable for anyone looking to sculpt a toned physique. Incorporating lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes into meals ensures that muscles have the necessary building blocks for growth and repair. Moreover, protein has a high thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy to digest, thereby boosting metabolism and aiding in fat loss. In addition to protein, carbohydrates play a vital role in providing energy for workouts and replenishing glycogen stores post-exercise. However, not all carbs are created equal. Opting for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over refined sugars and processed foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels, prevent energy crashes, and promote satiety. By consuming carbohydrates in moderation and timing them strategically around workouts, individuals can maximize performance while still facilitating fat loss. While protein and carbohydrates take precedence in the best diet for muscle maintenance and fat loss, healthy fats should not be overlooked. Incorporating sources of unsaturated fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can enhance nutrient absorption, support hormone production, and promote feelings of fullness. Including a variety of fats in moderation not only adds flavor and texture to meals, but also contributes to overall health and well-being. Beyond macronutrient composition, meal timing and portion control are crucial aspects of an effective dietary strategy. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day can help regulate hunger hormones, prevent overeating, and maintain steady energy levels. Additionally, timing meals and snacks around workouts can optimize nutrient delivery to muscles, enhance recovery, and boost metabolic rate. By listening to hunger cues and practicing mindful eating, individuals can cultivate a healthy relationship with food while supporting their fitness goals. In the pursuit of muscle maintenance and fat loss, hydration often takes a back seat, yet it is paramount for optimal performance and recovery. Drinking an adequate amount of water not only supports cellular function and nutrient transport, but also aids in appetite control and metabolism. Aim to consume at least 8 glasses of water per day, adjusting intake based on activity level, climate, and individual needs. Incorporating hydrating foods such as fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas can also contribute to overall fluid intake. While nutrition forms the foundation of any successful fitness regimen, exercise is equally essential for achieving desired outcomes. Combining a balanced diet with a comprehensive training program that includes both resistance training and cardiovascular exercise is key to maximizing muscle maintenance and fat loss. Resistance training stimulates muscle growth and improves metabolic rate, while cardiovascular exercise burns calories and enhances cardiovascular health. Together, they create a synergistic effect that accelerates progress towards a leaner, stronger physique. In conclusion, the best diet for muscle maintenance and fat loss prioritizes nutrient-dense foods, balanced macronutrient intake, portion control, and hydration. By adopting a high-protein, moderate carbohydrate, and moderate fat approach, individuals can support muscle growth, optimize fat-burning potential, and achieve sustainable results. Coupled with regular exercise and mindful eating practices, this holistic approach lays the groundwork for long-term success in the journey towards improved health and fitness. Embrace the power of nutrition and unlock your potential to sculpt a body that reflects strength, vitality, and resilience.